welcome to my channel. This is Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I have a post completion, and this is from Everyday E-Deals. They sent me a small package to review on my channel, and I was able to actually get a couple of things completed. I will also include at the top of the eye my unbagging of this if you'd like to go back and look at that. There is one that I was not able to complete that is a mandala, and that will be done later. So I wanted to show you, this one turned out really cute. I had gotten so many comments on this one as well whenever I unbagged it, and it is a partial, it is a bicycle, and it has quite a bit of rhinestones in here and then some special drills. And so it turned out really cute. I had plenty of the drills, the specials, in order to complete this. This is a 40 by 30, and it's a 40 by 30 from the end to end. So it is not the 40 by 30 that you are going to actually put your drills down, but it turned out really cute. I think it's a really good size. Did not take me very long. I really liked how the schematic was on both sides. Because this was a partial and it's so small, I actually did not kit this up. I used the baggies. I just went through and did one color, or one of the same drills throughout. It took me like an hour and a half to 2 hours to complete this. The rendering is really good. The stickiness was perfect. I did not have any problems with any of the drills, did not have any trash. So I was really happy with this one. I'm either going to put this in my portfolio or frame it. I hadn't decided, but I'll wait until after the end of the year when I do my end of year review, and then I will decide. So this is the one that's completed. And then also I had completed both of my daughters and my bookmark. I'm going to move this over a little bit. So I have two bookmarks that were completed, and these turned out really cute. She recently had dental surgery, and so I went ahead and did this for her as a surprise. And so she really did like it. I had plenty of the specials again. So I'll show you one first. This one is, let's see, this one's mine, and it did not have any of the residue or any of the glue on sections that should not actually be diamond painted, so that's really good. I thought about going through here and possibly adding a couple more, but I think that on the drills this is blinging enough, so I think it's perfect. And I will be able to easily use this. It also came with this little tassel. So I love the colors. And again, I had plenty of drills for both of these with some left over. And then this one's hers. And she wanted this one because she thinks that the two on the bottom are eyes. And the more that I thought about it, I'm like, she's right. It does look like eyes. So if you did it this way, it kind of looks like... she says it looks like a friendly monster. I have no idea, but anyway, it is really cute. So I'm going to flip it back. But yeah, she thinks that these are eyeballs, so I'll go with it. Again, it has a tassel. The colors are similar, but they are different, and both of the designs are different. I would definitely get a couple more of the bookmarks. These would be great stocking stuffers, or just really good, even teacher gifts if you have, some small kids. That would be really nice for a cheap teacher gift. And I may even give one of these to my daughter's teacher. I'm not sure yet. Not this. I'd order hers because we've already decided we're going to keep these. But again, they were both perfect. No issues with putting the drills down. That one's over a little bit. And I had plenty of extras. So I am really excited about this project. So I will show you one more time. I'm hoping to get to the mandala. I'm not sure when because I have other projects going on. But I do would like to get to it. But it is in my stash. I've enjoyed doing some of the smaller ones in between the large ones. That's been really nice for me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did and you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I think you would like it here. And also, before everyone leaves, if you wouldn't mind clicking on that like button, that gets my videos out. That will help the algorithm with YouTube. Again, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.